Do you see that this panther is attacking the dog? It looks intense, but that's just Luna, the panther, having fun with her best friend Venza. Luna is an abandoned panther, but then fortunately rescued by Venza's mom. Watch Luna's backstory here for more details. Luna met Venza while she was still a baby. Step by step, they got to know each other. Even though they are different breeds, it doesn't stop them from being the best sisters. Luna and Venza have their own special way to show love, chasing each other as if it was a hunt. They also enjoy peaceful times together, filled with cuddles and licks. Venza acts like a big sister to Luna, always protecting and caring for her. It's heartwarming to see two different animals become sisters and live joyfully together. Have you ever experienced a friendship as special as Luna's? Share your tales with us. Thank you, and see you soon.